Hi, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to learn how to grate cheese at home and how to store it. And I'm an advocate of this. I prefer to get my own cheese and grate it myself because when you buy the grated cheese in the grocery store, I know it's convenient a lot of the times, but it has cornstarch on it or flour to keep it from gunking up, and then a lot of times it will interfere with your recipe. So there are lots of different ways you can grate your cheese. This is my thing. I like to do it in the Cuisinart because it goes easy and fast. Or you can do it in a box grater. You can do it all different sizes. You can do the big, large size, or you can do the small size. And that's how you grate it if you're going to use a box grater. But this takes a lot longer than doing it in a Cuisinart. But I know everyone doesn't have a Cuisinart. But if you put it in a Cuisinart, it goes really quick. After you've gotten it all grated in your Cuisinart, then I like to put it in one of these containers because it makes for easy use. And if you store it properly, you can keep it in the refrigerator for about a week. And this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and you just learned how to grate cheese and store it at home.